Hey, it's Monday, September 8th. I didn't do much work today as far as paid work, but I did some work for the garden. I got 5 bags of 60-pound concrete, and you'll see the video of me hauling that in. I'll just leave this mahogany hibiscus here is annoying the crap out of me, falling down like that, so we're gonna cut that down. And then yesterday during the Packer-Lion game, I went and bought a 40-gallon stock tank to overwinter the koi and the minnows for the winter. The fishies are still doing well. It was really cold for a few days, so I stopped feeding the fish. Do you see any fish here? No, they're all under the plant island with like 2 feet of roots to hide them. Paul and Alex are still alive. I can see Alex over there. I also came in and looked the other day and I could only find like 2 minnows. So I thought the koi had eaten the minnows, but then magically I came back later and I had the same 7. Every morning I come out here and I check around the pond to see if I see any fish carcasses. But they're all there. And they're all gonna go in the basement in the stock tank. So that stock tank doesn't look very big, but it's literally probably the same depth as this pond, and then half of the length. And I'm gonna have a similar filter in the basement. I might even be able to reuse this for the basement, this system. I've been letting this caterpillar eat my Musifolia canna leaves. I mean, it's the end of the season. These aren't gonna bloom, so why not? And then I weeded this whole garden here yesterday, Sunday. I'll insert that here. I was thinking about putting fabric cloth or weed cloth down. I don't know, it's pretty late in the season already. I might have to cut it down one more time before it just mulches itself with leaves. Cause I have all these leaves to mulch my gardens with. These asters are looking amazing. Definitely gonna be doing these again next year. In more of a clump in the garden instead of on the patio here. They get like this, and then they start to open up like that. You can see I've been neglecting my beans, not picking them. I mean, they're all supposed to be sort of like this, but still. And then I think it's so cool that this cucumber's hanging out there.